star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side.
Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So I'm sure you clicked on today's video because you want to see and hear more about the Huda Beauty Haze palettes. So if you guys want to see one of these babies in actions, if you guys want to see some swatches, if you guys want to hear what I have to say about these palettes, make sure you keep on watching. You guys, I cannot get over how short my hair looks these days. Like, I hate it so much. I do not look like myself. Anyways, that's not why y'all are here. Y'all are here for these. So these are the Huda Beauty Haze Obsession palettes. I think Haze Obsession palettes. So I have all three of them. I'm super excited. I know these came out a while ago, but they're new to me because I just received them in PR. However, that is not going to cloud my judgment, I should say. All of my opinions and whatever I say is honest. They're my own. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm so tired, but sorry for being MIA. I feel like I posted a video and dipped. I was sick when I filmed my last video, and then I started feeling better physically. Then mentally, I started feeling very under the weather. And I still am, honestly, but it was time to film, you know? If I don't do it, who's gonna do it? So out of all of them, this is my favorite one, like, for sure. I posted a look on Instagram where I used this palette. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. This is like the olive green one. Then we have like oh wait, this one's called the Khaki Haze. And then Sand Haze is like the more nude one. This one's very pretty as well. But the one we're actually going to be using today is the purple one, Purple Haze. How pretty is she? So I haven't used, I've only used the green one. Did I mention that already? I don't know, I'm so tired. I've only used this one so far. And sadly, I'm only going to be using the purple one today. I won't be using all three of them, but I will be swatching them for you guys so you guys can see what they look like on my skin tone. Because I know it sucks, like, when you want to know how something works and how something looks on your skin tone, and then there's no videos with people with your skin tone, or like when you do find somebody that has your skin tone and they don't like swatch the product, and it's like, so I got y'all. All right, so we're gonna start off by using this deep purple shade, and we're gonna be blending that in our crease. I always think these palettes are so pretty. They're so easy to travel with. They're so tiny. You get 9 shades, so you get a lot of options to do like a lot of different looks. So this shade does look a lot deeper in the pan, which honestly, I don't even mind that it shows up lighter. So I am having a bit of a harder time blending out this purple. Which I feel like is pretty consistent for Huda's shadows. I don't know if you guys have used the Mercury Retrograde palette, but there's a deep purple in there that is also very hard to blend. But I'm just thinking like they just have an issue with purples, because in the Khaki Haze, the green palette, I had no issues blending out any of the shades. And with all their other palettes, I usually don't have issues. The shades are usually very pigmented and very easy to blend. The only shades I ever have trouble with are purples. So this is what we're looking like. This is a very pretty purple. I experienced very minimal fallout on my face, and there was no kickback on the pan. I'm just mentioning that in case that's like something that bothers you guys. I don't really care about that kind of stuff. All right, so now that our eyelids look bruised, we're gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna be applying that all over my lid with my finger. That is so pretty. The camera is not doing it justice. Alright friends, so I did prep my face off camera. Now we're going to go in with foundation. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation in the shade Warm Sand. Alright, so for concealer, I'm using the Dose of Colors concealer in the shade 17. Supposedly, people don't apply their concealer like this anymore, but I don't care. I like a lot of coverage. Alright, so now I'm going to set my under eyes with the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Pound Cake. And now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Banana Setting Powder. I do feel like my face looks a little dry, so I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. So we're going to finish off the eyes, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion. Alright, so we're going to go back in with that matte purple, and we're going to smudge that under the eyeliner. Alright, so now we're going to bronze, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Bronzer in the shade Tan. So now we're moving on to blush, and I'm using the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. And I think I'm going to use this shade right here. Oh my gosh. That looked great at first. Alright guys, so I applied my lashes off camera. Remember that everything that I will be using today will be listed down below. So we're moving on to lips. I'm going to be using the Colourpop BFF3 lip liner, the Huda Beauty Staycation lipstick, matte lipstick, whatever, lipstick, and the Too Faced All the Stars gloss. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Are these the kind of palettes you guys see yourself picking up? Let me know. But yeah, actually I really enjoyed using this palette. I honestly really enjoy using all of the Huda Beauty 9-pan palettes, the Obsession palettes. I think they all have very beautiful color stories, and I'd be lying if I said that the packaging isn't what got me. Like, I love how cute and tiny the palette is. I know, has nothing to do with how the product performs, but that's what I love the most. But you guys saw I did have a little bit of trouble blending out that purple shadow, which I'm not gonna be super mad about because I feel like that has happened to me with other purple shadows from Huda Beauty, but all the other shadows perform wonderfully. It's the purples for some reason. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys next time.